20 years of excellence, Sunsource Air Compressors. From 2005 to 2025, driven by innovation and precision. 108 patents, 90% plus automated production, and 520,000 units annually. Up to 8,000 hours maintenance-free, delivering reliable performance across industries from dental to aerospace, and EV to energy storage. Trusted in 100-plus countries with strong global service support. Empowering green manufacturing for a sustainable future.